Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a direct message notification on the X app, this quick guide will walk you through enabling alerts for direct message notifications right from your phone's settings. Follow these simple steps and stay connected effortlessly. First, go to your phone's settings. This is the gear icon where you manage all your device's features, including apps and notifications. Once you're in settings, look for and tap on apps or applications, depending on your phone model. Next, scroll through the list and find the X app. Tap on it to open the app settings specifically for X. Here, you'll see different options related to the app's permissions and notifications. Now tap on Notifications. This section allows you to control how notifications from X appear and behave on your device. To get a more detailed view, tap on Notification Categories or Notification Settings. Within Notification Categories, look for the option called Direct Messages. This category handles all alerts related to messages sent directly to you. Finally, select Alert. By choosing Alert, you ensure that when you receive a direct message, your phone not only shows the notification, but also actively notifies you with sound or vibration based on your device settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled direct message notifications alerts on the X app from your phone's settings. Now you can be confident you won't miss any important messages, whether from friends, family, or colleagues. Thank you for tuning in.